Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening we're going to do, I will cook some curry chicken foot and cornmeal dumpling guys. Yeah, as you can see also guys, for my chicken foot, put it out. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to cut up it and I'm going to see what I go on. Some bad curry chicken foot, some cornmeal dumpling guys. Watch what I go on in the kitchen. Guys, knife done. Guys, look what I go on in the pot. So I go on the pot here. Guys, do not look at it no more. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna season up the chicken foot and now I'm gonna throw I go on in the kitchen. Some bad curry chicken foot, cornmeal dumpling guys. Be about this. So I go on the pot so guys, yeah. Yeah guys, so I go season up the meat and now the chicken foot. Curry guys, I go put a black pepper. Complete seasoning. Some Maggi chicken season. And some all-purpose guys. Guys, we pork on the time. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna make this one marinate a little. I knead up the flour. You understand what I mean? Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Be your badness in the kitchen, guys. Leave that. I'm gonna make this one marinate. I'm gonna knead up some flour. I can sew her go on in the kitchen, guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so knead up some flour. flour, guys. Yeah, guys, so I gone. Yeah, guys, so I gonna light up my stove. I'm gonna so I go on in the kitchen. Yeah, guys, so to light up my water, I'm gonna light up the stove now. You understand how I did, yeah. Guys, I'll be about this in the kitchen. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, Jenko people, so I'm gonna light up the stove. I'm gonna see what I want. So, oh, guys. Chicken foot over here, so. Guys, I want to watch and see how me season my chicken foot. You understand how I did? Yeah. Flour pot there, so guys. So, watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Be a badness, guys. So, guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut up some ground season. You understand how they got your badness in the kitchen, guys. Yeah guys, so I go peel up to Irish now. I don't know, beer badness in the kitchen guys. Yeah guys, I don't know the badness. So I'm gonna do, I go put in my flour and then we peel the Irish. You understand how the pot start to boil up. So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I will drop in my flour them in the pot. After I peel, I put piece of pumpkin, two Irish and one carrot in my chicken foot. Your overs. Yeah guys, so watch your badness. So I'm gonna throw some flour in the pot now. Some bad cornmeal dumpling guys. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna peel up some Irish now, make it so I go on. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in carrot, Irish, and my pumpkin over here. So be a badness guys. Believe that. Be a badness. Guys, my flour them cook. I make them soak a little bit more. Black off the stove. Don't know about this in the kitchen guys. Yeah guys, so now I don't know. I lock off my flour pot. And flour them cook. Don't know the badness. So I'll go on over here so guys. Stay tuned to the finishing look. I soon come back. Consequently, chat, it is infrared. Man, take off your pants, come on it up. And I try to put PD in that. And don't start to do it up. It's just one question I want to ask. Something like that. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Wrong season, guys. Guys, be about this. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon come back.